good time. About to get some more sleep. It's gonna feel amazing.
Yo, what's good, my guy?
Nothing much, man. I just really been chilling for the past few days, you know. I just been in my bed most of the time.
Did you know that first Five Nights at Freddy's security breach video got 96 views and 6 likes?
96 views and 6 likes? They hooked us up.
That's pretty good. So why are you in the bed right now?
I mean, like, I didn't really have the energy to do some videos, like, right now.
I'll give 2 flying dings that you in the bed. You been doing nothing for the past 4 days. You better get to work, my brother. Right now. Before you get wicked.
Dude, I just thought of something, like, I don't know where that was going. It just ended up happening. Alright, so this is future me. I'm gonna leave y'all with past me, and then once you get to the part, we're gonna right back up to you. You ready? 3, 2, 1, skip it about it, take it over. Yes, sir. Today, rocking the Xbox beanie. Even though we playing on PlayStation, we rocking the Xbox beanie today. Enough needs to be said. Hello, my brothers and sisters. Today, we are back with some more Five Nights at Freddy's security breach. Bear with me. Last episode was crazy. I really forgot what happened last episode because that was like 7 days ago. The only thing I remember was we got to get Freddy to the stage so we can fix him up so he'll be all good. Hey, enough said. Let's get. All right. So yeah, this is where we left off. How you doing, Freddy? Alright, Freddy. Freddy ready to go. He like, it's time, boys. Gotta fix my boy Freddy up. He been through a lot. Oh, we been through a lot together. Mostly been me. And my controller's low GG. Gotta pause the game real quick. Yo, Freddy. Yo, pick up the feet, Freddy. I know you hurting, but come on. You gotta keep moving. Lag. Hold on. Save the game. I don't even know why I didn't save the game the first time. Let's go, Freddy. Pick it up. Hey, Freddy, you look beat up.
My systems are failing. Go to the sound booth on the 3rd floor balcony. Run the performance program on that disc, then meet me back on the stage. Please hurry. You do not have much time. It is almost the end of the hour. I will wait here.
Alright, Freddy. You keep, what am I about to say? You keep watch. About to go get your, get this thing. Hey, security Bob, we missed you. Out here doing your little 360s. I ain't missed that. Alright, so we got my boy Monty up here, right? Searching with the light. So what you gotta do is you gotta be sneaky, alright? Security Bob gonna keep doing his 360s. We go around. Boom. No, you don't. No, you don't, sucker. I'm the man when it comes to stealth, alright? No. Alright, so he said go to the
Freddy
3rd
said
floor.
The booth is on the 3rd floor.
Gregory. You know the man right there. Alright, so whoa. Roxy, go the other way, please. Oh my goodness.
You are nothing.
But they ain't Roxy. I'm right here, Chica.
Are you lost?
No.
Why are there so many security barriers now?
Hey, shut up. You know she right there.
I bet you don't even
Pick up the feet, Gregory. Oh my God, Gregory! Oh, we're so dead. Oh, we're so dead. Oh my goodness.
I am just trying to help.
Okay. But I got a job to do, girl. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Put the thing on the thingy.
You can hide, but you
And that's how you make money moves, alright? I told you, when it comes to stealth, your boy is the best, alright? We just trust the process. Your boy gonna get it through.
That should do it. I hope Freddy's okay. I should get back to the stage right away.
Alright. Gregory, you better pick up your feet, cause you don't see me. Why can't I just use the elevator? It'd be way easier. Hey, hey. Bro, that song low-key kinda go hard. Hello? I can't breathe. Where am I? I'm scared. Photo pass. Let me take a quick pic.
I bet you don't even have.
Yo, Roxy, you were just like heavy. Get in the booth. Get in the booth. Chill.
You can't hide forever.
Yeah, I can.
Nobody will.
Freddy, I see you. We booking it. We booking it. I'm gone. You don't see me. Freddy, let's go.
Superstar. Just push that button and the lift will take us down to Parks and Service.
Take us to Parks and Service. See you, suckers. Woo! Freddy, I'm making moves.
Oh no! What time is it? That moon thing's gonna get me!
Quickly, get to the recharge station. Follow me.
All right. Freddy, where? Oh, I was about to say, Freddy, where you go?
Past your bedtime.
All right. Where the recharge station at, Freddy? Oh, recharge station. Freddy, come on. Freddy! Yo, get off my boy Freddy! Wow, first of all, why you get out now? Yo, he just took my boy Freddy.
Freddy! Can you hear me? Freddy's in there. I have to get him out.
Freddy, no. Wait. Oh, first of all, Gregory. No, never mind. Oh!
Hi, please take this
I
map.
don't want the map.
Take a map.
It's your second time jump scaring me.
Thank you. Please enjoy.
I hate that thing!
Yeah. It's your second time
It's a
jump
map of the
scaring me.
utility tunnels. It looks like there's a security office nearby. If I can find another security badge, I can get into Parts and Service.
I bet. Say less. That's all you had to say, Gregory. Get a job, look for a security badge. I can't believe my boy Freddy just got sneaked. Yo, Moon's probably my biggest op right now, alright? I don't care what anybody says. Moon It's probably like almost
Freddy,
dead.
there's something here.
Red light, green light, huh? Red light, green light. I mean, wait. Green light, red light. Is there another one? Whoa. Slow your roll, partner. Let it stand still for me. On the master, we call it red light, green light, alright? Red light, green light. I mean, wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright. Oh, alright, keep going over there. I ain't gonna stop you. Don't tell me another one of these music men about to drop, cause I hated those things.
Not again.
Go. I heard it. I heard it. That's when I started moving. He ain't coming out, is he? Yes, sir. I don't know why last time that thing gave me so much trouble. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me say the game. Chill. Let me say the game, alright? There we go. There's a collectible over there. Hold on. You know how I feel about my collectibles. So I learned that the duffel bags are like messages you can read. With Bonnie out of commission, we are making Monty the new bass player. Parts and service are already done the proper arrangements. This could be a good thing for Monty, even more popular than Bonnie. It's okay. Don't disrespect my boy Bonnie. Oh, that wasn't even the one. Stolen property. I'm not reading all that. Too much reading. I'll be alright. Look at this freaking scumbag right here, bro. I hate you. Look at this. Look at this hooligan. This absolute buffoon. Alright. That man sneaked my boy Freddy. We don't rock like that. Alright.
Hey, that wall just moved.
Huh? Gregory. What? So there are two of y'all, huh? Oh, never mind. Just security Bob over there. Green light, red light. Green light, red light. Whoa. Hold on. Come over here. I need you to come over here. Yeah, keep coming. Keep coming over here. I'ma scoot on by. Appreciate you. You ain't gonna turn around, right? Whoa. Is there another one? Okay, there's... Hey! Stop! Stop!
So this is what you look like inside? Creepy. I like you better with your shell on.
Bro, it's too much going on. Oh my goodness. Hey! Oh, there's two more right there! Push the button! Push the button! There's too much going on. Alright. Keyword, we ain't gotta worry about the ones in front. I don't need that duffel bag. We ain't gotta worry about the ones in the front until we get super past them, alright? I learned that now. Learned that we ain't gotta turn around until I mean, unless bro getting close. Just chill out for a second.
So this is what you look like inside? Creepy. I like you better with your shell on.
Alright, we chillin'. Oh, those two just woke up. go. Keep moving, Gregory. Keep moving. All right, chill. Chill. All right, let's go. Move. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Chill. Whoa. Hey, you're not gonna wake up, are you? They coming.
Are you lost?
No. A nightmare. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my gosh, everybody waking up! Chill. Just chill. Just chill. Chill. Chill out, alright? Chill out. Wait, nah, there's one in this room. There's one in this room. I don't need to go there. I don't need to go there. I don't need to go there. I don't need to go. I'm stuck. Just keep going. Wait, am I going the right way? I don't know if I'm going the right way. I'm stuck. Let's chill. Let's chill. I don't know if I'm going the right way. Is this the right way? I don't know where I'm going. If I just went the wrong way, I am going to cry. Alright, just chill. Oh my goodness. How am I supposed to know which way I'm going?
3 days later.
And we're back. So, it's been 2 to 3, 4 days after I started recording that. I don't know what happened, but I was stuck on this part because I didn't know where to go. So I just I paused, took a 4-day break and came back. What you gonna say about it? Nothing. Alright. So yeah, they took Freddy.
Are you hungry?
Roxy, you ain't gonna start this. I literally just got on today. Alright, hold on, wait. I gotta fix the monitor.
That wall just moved.
Okay, Gregory. So yeah, last time it was these. I forgot about y'all. These endoskeletons, right? Will move. Will move when you don't look at them. But they will stop.
Are you lost?
Sure, Roxy. Will stop when you look at them. So, what you want to do is, push that button.
So this is what you look like inside?
Oh, shh.
Creepy. I like you better with your shell on.
Stop. Okay. Boom. Them two gonna wake up. Wait, maybe? Okay, yeah, when I push this button, those two are gonna wake up, right? So this is where I got lost at, right? Because I didn't know where to go after this. So okay. Okay, boom. Then those two wake up when I push this button right here. Boom. Okay, y'all hear that? Y'all heard that door open? Whoa. Whoa, chill. Chill. Everybody chill out. Chill. Chill. Whoa, chill. Everybody chill out. Where am I? Where am I? Chill. Okay. Okay, this is... Oh, there was a button right here the whole time. Oh my goodness. Okay. And it opens this door, right? It opened this door. No way.
It's the security office.
There are so
Should be one of
many
those
of them. Y'all
badge
see how
head
many?
things in here.
Oh, I'm not ready. Wait. Chill! Okay, wait. Before we do anything, is there any... I'll say, is there any collectibles in here? I'm going back to the door. Did I collect it? Oh.
Got it! I can open parts and service.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, come on!
Come on. Mom! Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Gregory. Gregory. Ooh. Okay, there's only one of them. Alright, we gone. Y'all ain't catching me. I'm gone. I'm gone. Wait, am I going the right way? Wait a minute. Wait. Wait. Am I going the right way? Okay. Hold on. Let's chill for a second. Oh my god, he's moving. Wait, chill! Okay, I think we're supposed to go back to that other door that was closed. And I think that opened the, because we can't go back to the vent, right? Oh, we can. Wait, am I supposed to go this way? Hold on. Let's go back through the vent. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You just want to be everywhere, huh? You just want to be everywhere, huh? Pick up your feet, Gregory! Hey, get out of here. Alright. Boom. So, okay. Alright, yeah. Let's go back. Making good progress. Wait. Is this parts of service? Nah, this is where they boot camp Freddy.
I found him earlier and locked him up.
Yes!
That is great news. He can be returned to his parents.
He can't. Turns out there's no record of him.
How unfortunate. If you reattach my head, I will go look for him now.
His name is Gregory. You know how I know that? His Fazwatch kept repeating it in your voice. Gregory, are you there? Gregory?
Vanessa, all the fast watches sound like me. It is the default voice option.
If you're part of this, you're scrapped. Monty will run the shows until Parts and Service can slap your casing on a new endo. Hang out here for a while. I gotta find that kid.
Vanessa, do not leave me like this.
Dang, you was about to leave my boy Freddy like that? Okay. I would go in. I'ma just wait till she gone. Okay. Yo, Fred. Wait, do I go back? Freddy. Oh, Freddy.
I am so glad you are here
Freddy.
and alive.
Freddy!
Welcome to Parts and Service. Please select your desired procedure.
Yo, why are you so loud? Chill out. Is that a collectible? Hold on, Freddy. I gotta get this collectible. Yes, sir. You know how I feel about my collectibles. I need them. Man, nobody want this. Bro, where the Freddy merch at? Alright.
Welcome to Parts and Service. Please select your desired procedure.
Alright, power upgrade.
Please enter the protective cylinder to continue.
Yo, Freddy, you about to get an upgrade from yours truly.
What'd they do to you?
Routine maintenance. I am functioning much more better now. Grammar function error. Perhaps I am still not at peak performance. Could you, reattach my head?
I got you, Freddy.
I don't know. It looks complicated.
Just reconnect the wires. And be careful. I am not quite myself at the moment.
In case
What
of
you
an
mean by that,
emergency,
Freddy?
the protective cylinder will protect important service personnel outside of the protective cylinder.
Oh, GG.
Deactivating animatronic safety protocols now. It is recommended that no mistakes are made during the procedure.
Alright.
To reconnect Freddy's head, repeat the correct sequence by
GG.
pressing the flashing connectors.
X, square, circle, triangle. Oh, that's easy.
Good job.
Alright, bet.
Now use the testing console to run diagnostics and complete the procedure.
Alright, bet. Okay.
Good
W memory, like, oh.
job. Freddy is all patched up and ready for the big show. You may now exit the protective cylinder.
Alright, Freddy. We gonna need a new paint job on you too, cause you're looking a little bit rusty today. But we gonna let it slide. Just fix you up, Freddy. Finished upgrade. Hey.
There's so much tech stuff in here. Is there anything I can use to stop the other bots?
Bright lights in the eyes cause us to briefly
Oh,
malfunction. I suppose a phaser blaster or a phascam could work.
Where do I get one?
Or you can win a phaser blaster in Phaser Blast. Phascams are often confiscated in Monte Golf, but you will need a party pass to open one of those attractions. Chica normally gives them out for birthdays. Check her green room in Rockstar Row. You may find one there. Use the service elevators at the back of the room. They go up to Rockstar Row.
Alright.
It looks like they are all out of order except for Roxy's.
Hey, I mean, I ain't minding rocks. Choke on spit.
Freddy, check out these pictures. Chica has some sort of special voice box. Roxy has new eyes. And Monty was given better claws. We have to get these. We can upgrade you.
Gregory, those parts belong to my friends. I would never
Freddy,
do
we
anything
wasted
to hurt
power.
them.
What? All they've done all night is try to hurt me.
Facts.
They get what they deserve.
There must be a good explanation. They are not capable of hurting a guest. None of us are. It would go against our programming.
Or they getting corrupted by the children that was in their stomach. You know what I'm saying? I'ma still collect these collectibles though. All these upgrades, mine. Mine. Freddy, you can push the button yourself, you know that, right? Let me back in.
Did you know that birthday wishes only come true at Freddy Fazbear's? It's true. Kids who have
Oh,
no
for real?
birthdays have fewer friends and
like it.
parents who don't love them. This has been another fun Faz
Oh,
fact.
freak. Freddy, like, you dying too quick. You need a battery upgrade. Didn't I just give you power upgrade? And we out here, yeah. Recharge. Yeah, what Roxy crying for? Yo, Roxy, you alright?
Freddy, get out of my room!
Alright. I'm sorry. I know what you was crying for. Vanessa. Hey. I'm Freddy. What did it say? Check Chica's room, right? GG. I need a security pass. Freddy, I don't know where I'm going. Are you gonna give me some instructions?
One eternity later.
Took me 20 years. I'm out here looking in the I still can't find a way to get. Nah, that's Roxy's room. We need Chica's room. Oh my goodness, I didn't know we had to go through the vents. my goodness, that scared the mess out of me. Where's Chica's room? Chica's room, get me out! Oh my goodness. Is there two of them? So you got a lot of candy in here, but where the party pass at? We got the freaking party pass.
I found the party pass.
Well done.
Get a party pass to staff boss online areas of the Pizzaplex. Alright, bet.
Oh crap! It's that horrible moon thing again!
Quick, find a recharge station. You should be able to see their locations on the map.
Alright. Freddy. Can I zoom in, please? Is there a recharge station behind me? How did I get over there? Hey, Gregory, get your stamina up. Look at that recharge station. Ah! Give me... Yo, Freddy.
Gregory, that party pass is very special. It will let you into Phaser Blast or Monte Golf. However, it can only be used once.
Great! How do I use it?
Just give it to a party bot. They usually stay in front of the attractions collecting party passes. If you have one, it will let you in. I have marked both locations on your map.
Alright. So... should we go to Monte Golf or Phaser Blast? Phaser Blast sound fun, but I like golf. Man, ain't no same person like golf. I mean, like golf is cool. It's just like, I don't know. Mini golf is what I'm talking about. Mini golf be fun. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Freddy, we're gonna need a new battery for you. Ain't no way you be passing out like 2 seconds later when I just recharged. Alright, Freddy. Snack space. You got a burger back there? Hello? I'm like 2 feet tall. GG. That just said level 10. I'm out here sitting at level 4. Hey, let me go to Phaser Blast. I'm at Phaser Blast, right? Oh. Yeah, I got a party pass. That was wrong. Alright, there go my party pass. Hey, your friend.
Phaser Blast, sport of kings. You will need to win the game in order to receive your very own Phaser Blaster. Good luck.
Alright, bet. I'm
Calling all recruits. Phaser Blast is a high-intensity space combat simulation.
Ooh.
Suit up and save the universe as you blast everyone and everything with high-tech laser effects. Blast strangers, blast your friends, beat the superstar score, and get a free Phaser Blaster gun. Enlist now.
Bet.
Gregory, I'm not nearly that annoying.
No. I mean, sometimes, but hey, we'll judge a book by its cover. Alright, Fred. Oh, just about. Oh, I'm about to go to the women's bathroom. GG. I'm about to become one of those pedos. Nah. Not today, young boy. We're not ever. Let me say that. Let's say the game. Woo!
You must be the new Phaser Blast recruits, and from the looks of you,
yes,
the
sir.
orange/blue team hasn't got a chance. Soon you will be fighting for your lives on a hostile alien planet. But first, I am here to tell you how to play Phaser Blast.
I don't need it.
There are 2 rules you must follow at all times. Rule number 1. No running, no climbing, no jumping. Before you can enter the arena, you need to grab a helmet and Phase Blaster.
Alright, bet. With the phaser blaster equipped it. Okay. Bet. You can switch from flashlight to phaser blaster. I bet. Woo! I'm ready! Let me in! Exit.
You are on the orange team. Soldier, report to the orange hallway.
Alright, bet. Yo, y'all ain't know, back then, I was a laser champion. Everybody was getting blasted. That's on me. What about it? Let's get it. I'm ready. Oh, let's go. Sit down. How I recharge? Chica. Hello? Yo, Chica. Eat that! Go! This is how I get my point?
You have captured the flag. Time to defend.
My aim sucks. I got one shot left. Chica?
Capture the flag.
Chica, please. Chica, please. I got no more shots. Get out of there! How you reload? Is it just like a one-time thing?
You have captured the flag. Time to defend.
Alright. Wait, what if I switch to switch back? No, it doesn't. Okay. Come on, 9 seconds. 9 seconds. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Just 4 seconds. Just 4 seconds, Chica. I'm going.
You have successfully defended the station. Move on to the next one, Space Cadet.
You just push the trigger and it reloads the whole thing. Oh my goodness. I'm out here thinking you don't have no shots.
You have captured the flag. Time to defend.
Oh shoot. Get out of here. Spin around. Let's go. Go. Everybody getting shot down. Oh yeah. Where's these shots? Reload. I can't reload.
You have successfully defended the station. Move on to the next one, Space Cadet.
Yo, reload. Alright, there you go. Where the last one at? I captured this one right there, I did. Bro, Gregory need to put some height on him, man. He like 2 feet tall. So we got the one on top. We got the, is there one in the red zone? We already got the one in the green zone. Alright. Last one got, yep, last one's right here. Let's go.
You have captured the flag.
Oh yeah.
To defend.
5 in a row, baby. Oh, this is easy camp. I missed. Ten seconds, 10 seconds. 10 seconds, baby. Let's go, baby. Bro, where's the... Oh.
Well, Done, superstar. You won the Phaser Blaster. Now, go collect your prize from the Superstar Battle.
Bet. I need my superstar winner. I mean, yeah. I deserve it. I was out here working hard. Do I get this golden? We got the golden Phaser Blaster. Let's go. Can I go home? Do I have to go back down there? Exit the game. Oh, that says no entry. Where's the exit? There you go. Yo, I am a W laser tag player. I said it before and I'll say it again. Nobody gonna stop me. We got the golden powder.
Superstar, you got the Phaser Blaster.
Yes, sir, Freddy.
But you had to use your party pass. If you find the security office, I am sure you will find something that will help you.
All right, Freddy.
Gregory, what are you doing?
Oh, my bad. My bad, Freddy.
I cannot see.
Yo, my bad, Freddy. My bad. My finger slipped. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I am your friend.
Look at that collectible on the toilet. Space Roxy keychain.
Gregory, they know you are here.
Huh?
Get the security upgrade and get out.
Okay.
Amazing luck. You got an annual Body Bowl Unlimited Pass.
Ooh.
Free bowling for a whole year.
Ooh.
Mega Pizzaplex entry not included. Shoe and ball rental fees still apply.
Okay, Freddy. Freddy. How do I get out? Oh. Give me a security badge. Keep the Phaser Blaster out. Didn't I just get a level 5 security pass? Oh, there's like everything in this room. Alright. Oh my goodness. GG. I'm out. You ain't catching me. Hey, Freddy. You saw what I did there? Alright, Freddy.
For your safety, please stay clear of the doors.
But we gotta find a way to decommission Chica. That's what I say, right? Find Monty Mystery Mixin' Bonnie Bowl. Oh, that's what the bowling pass is for. Yeah, okay, bet. Yeah, there's like security bobs everywhere. So where Bonnie Bowl at? I haven't seen Bonnie Bowl. Take you in the Oh my goodness gracious. There's like 10,000 security bobs out here. Alright, check the 3rd floor. They're gonna start from the 3rd floor down. We're gonna find Bonnie Bowling. Got the Faz Arcade. Bonnie Bowling. Look at that. Let me tell you. Alright, I got my Bonnie. Alright. Stop dancing, man. Security Bob coming. Yo, Freddy! That's what I'm talking about, Freddy. See? Teamwork makes the dream work, alright? We keep doing this. Oh, shoot. I just dropped.
What are you doing?
Freddy, I dropped my controller. I'm sorry.
Do you know that everyone loves pizza? Yes, it's true. Based on a double-blind study.
I'd say sometimes I don't really like pizza. Look, hate me if you want, but sometimes I don't really like pizza. It's just the tomato sauce. Like, people get it without tomato sauce. Sometimes I just don't like pizza. Alright, Freddy. Yo, Bonnie bowling? We haven't seen Bonnie yet. Like, we seen a variation of Foxy. You already know Chica. You already know Freddy. They replaced Bonnie with freaking...
That message said there is a bag of Monty mystery mix behind the bowling alley. Chica goes cuckoo for Monty mystery mix.
Hey, go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Yo, the bowling alley. Yo, this place got everything. Like, just a man. Like, you know how much money you'll get? Can I bowl one time? Ooh, collectible. Once a collectible, always a collectible. Give me the collectible. Duffel bag. PQ1 main log. Oh, like I need that. It says it's in the bag. The Monty mystery bowl mix. Yo, this place right here. Yo, this place is lively, like. Alright. I'ma just scoot on by. Give me a Monty mystery mix bowl thing. Yo, it's dark. Is this the Monty mystery mix bowl thing? A golden Monty. I mean, that's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. A duffel bag and a present up there. Yo, safety check. Give me the box. Get. Okay.
Mystery mix. The mystery is the pizza flavoring.
And the kitchen compactor. Do I go back? Because I saw a bunch of boxes. I didn't think the door was open. Yeah, this door is locked. Freddy, where's the kitchen at? Alright, Freddy. So we gotta find the kitchen compactor. We find the kitchen compactor. We put in the Monty mix there. I don't know why. Just the bathroom. GG. Let me in. Bro, it's always security Bob the one that gave me. Freddy. Freddy, they're here. Get in the elevator! Freddy. Yo. No look animatronics was in there.
Sauce more than honey. It's true. Before their extinction, bears were known to attack pizza delivery trucks more than any other service vehicles. This has been another fun fact.
Okay. Well, now I know. The bears used to hunt down pizza trucks. Alright, so now goal is to find the you see that? We need to go to the ground floor. Or is that an energy machine? Energy machine, I ain't going down there. I don't know. We're gonna chill. We're gonna chill for a second. No, that's a charge machine. Freddy. Use the monster mix in the kitchen compactor. Where's the kitchen at? The kitchen's downstairs. Remember, cause we had to feed Chica the pizza, but I forgot. Yo, why is there so many securities? No, I remember where it is. You gotta go through that vent, right? Right? Let me cook. You go through that vent. And then, cause that's where we died like 500 times to freaking Music Man. I learned his name now. His name is Music Man. Yeah, this is where he was at. We gotta go through this vent. Slide down. Wait. Wait, hold on. What if this is the wrong way? I don't know. We're gonna go through it here. What if I shoot him with the fast blast? Alright, bet. Boom. First attempt. Boom. Save it at this port. That's a port. Yeah. Look at security Bob down here. I'm doing the freaking not even 360. What's more than 360? Look at him. Does that work? Oh my gosh, it worked. I didn't think that was gonna work. Up, I hear heavy footsteps. Yep, here's the kitchen. Boom. Game plans. Alright, now we need to find the kitchen compactor. Oh my goodness. Is this a kitchen compactor? It is. Wait, okay. Put the Monty mix. Where I put the Monty mix at? I just saw it. Put the Monty mix down. Oh. Security Bob. We about to have the most beef. Generator. Yes. Oh my goodness, Security Bob, I hate you. I just would have burned it past you. Chica. Alright, what we do now? What's our mission? Lure Chica into the kitchen trash compactor. Alright, bet. Chica. Where Chica at?
Staff only.
Come here, Chica. Come here. Oh, place the Monty mix. Yo, Chica. Skill. Come here. Come here. Get some of that Monty mix.
Where are you?
Yo, Chica. Go ahead and get yourself some Monty mix. Wait, can I do something right?
I smell pizza!
Yeah, you smell that pizza. Go ahead and get yourself some Monty mix. Ain't even eating the Monty mix. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Yeah, push it, Freddy! Oh yeah! Nah. Push her again. Yo! Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, wait. Whoa. Oh. Yo. I'm gonna take your voice box. Oh, Chica is cooked. Yo, this will be a crazy thumbnail, like right here. Yeah, crazy thumbnail right here. Yo, say it again. Most definitely say it again. Yo, should we stop right here? Yo, I think we should stop right here. I think this is a good place to stop. Yeah, it's gonna be a good place to stop. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Chica got cooked. She got smushed in the compactor, and then she took it down with her. And now we in the trash heap. Hopefully we get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys also have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.